Ciencia para C.
Muy buenas tardes, soy Kate, estamos acá en la feria de carros eléctricos aquí en Vermont y aquí tengo Jake que trabaja con una compañía solar y nos va a hablar un poco de su trabajo. Hi Jake.
Hi, mucho gusto. Common is a Vermont-based business, born and raised here in the state, and we start from the belief that everybody has the right to a healthy environment and a brighter future, and that renewable energy is really where that starts. And so we know that power from the sun can power our entire lives. That's our homes, that's our cars. It gets really cold here, so that's our heating, as well as our cooling in the event that it gets really hot in the summertime. So, it's our mission to break down the barriers to help people take advantage of all those technologies. So we've gone from installing maybe 100 or 200 systems over the first couple years that we were in business, and at this point we've helped over 4,000 people in Vermont go solar. So we've found by making it easy and affordable for people to go solar, that people really want to make a difference and really want to take advantage of going solar at home, as well as local businesses. So yeah, we're really busy.
Yeah, and it makes a lot of sense, right? Both financially and obviously ecologically for the planet.
What we're trying to do is inspire people to go solar now. To go solar if you have a good sunny spot and you want to save money and you want to do good for the environment, now is the time to go solar. So I'd say the challenge is just moving people forward and getting people excited that now is the best time. I would say absolutely. People are always really surprised that so far up here in Vermont that solar is so popular. We're almost, we might as well be in the Arctic up here in Vermont. It's a sunny day here, but fast forward 6 months and we could be underneath a pile of snow right now. So yeah, it really does make sense. And no matter where you are, solar, it comes from the sun. We're not digging anything out of the ground. We're not transporting oil or coal or gas hundreds of miles to get to your home. It's right here. And that's, I think, the best part about it. And so no matter what way you look at it, it's better than traditional fossil fuels.
You heard it here, solar energy.
Here in Vermont, average house panels that we install, I think, is sort of between 10 to 20, 15 to 25 panels, somewhere in that range. I'm trying to think of area, but they're about this tall and this wide. They're pretty large, but they're not cumbersome. So most folks will put it on one side of their roof on an average-sized home, whatever side faces south, because here where we are in Vermont, the sun is south of us most of the time of the year. So someone who uses a whole lot of electricity, they might cover their whole roof, but also folks who have really low energy usage, they can only have a little small portion of their roof. So it really depends on the person. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, the question I always get here in Vermont is, shouldn't we just put panels in somewhere where it's sunny all the time? And Colombia, I think, tends to be a lot sunnier than Vermont. And the question we always get here is, shouldn't we put them in the desert in Nevada and Arizona and those places? But I think here, we have enough sun to make it work. And, the incentives that the government provides that are there are really good and help make it affordable. But that kind of makes up for the lack of sun we have. So if you're in a really sunny place, it's probably easier to do it because that 12 months out of the year, the panels aren't going to be covered in snow very much in Colombia. So, here we have to worry about that problem, but there I think it makes a whole lot of sense. love to see more solar get built around the world. You know, I think it's become the renewable, the green energy solution that I think makes the most sense for a lot of folks, and I think it really, you know, can have a lot of potential. You know, not just for helping us, you know, be more green in the energy we use, but also, you know, if folks are producing their own energy, if it's on top of their roof, they might think a little bit more about what they're using day to day, which I think is kind of cool. It's something I hear from a lot of our customers is that they're thinking more about the electricity they use in the whole of their life, not just at home, which I think is really cool.
Si quieres ser notificado cuando salga un video nuevo, suscríbete a nuestro canal oprimiendo el botón rojo y después la campanita.